Hello, in this video, you will learn about how to publish your internal service to the internet without any channeling service like NGRO or any channeling service that provide free trial or free package. But in this video, I will show how to make your own channeling for publishing your service. Actually, I use NGRO before for my many purpose to publish my internal service such as my internal API for testing and things. It great applications and simple actually to publish your port or your service, but it limit only one channel. So I'm wondering if I can make such a simple tutorial to make your simple port forwarding easily and cheap. As you can see here, the pricing for ngrok is quite I think it's quite expensive because it's $5 per month, and this price actually costs one VPS with one public IP. So in this video I will show how to make your channeling with many as possible channeling using single visual private server with public IP. So the scheme is like this. There are users access your service from internet, and you can see here the YAML host here is actually a VPS, and it has two interface. The one is public interface for incoming requests from internet, and the second is local interface. Okay, and in this video I will show how to use HAProxy for port forwarding purposes, and there are private server. This is the server that I want to publish the services. In this video I will use my personal computer as the private server, and I will connect to the jam host by SSH and do remote port forwarding. Actually there are two type of port forwarding. The first is local port forwarding, which is forwarding a port from your local, such as if I access localhost with some specific port such as 2201, and I can specify where the jam host should forward the request. Or the reverse is the remote port forwarding is I access jam host in specific port such as 2201, and I will forward it to private server and specify where the private server should forward the request. So in this case we will use a remote port forwarding. Okay, let's we come to the demo part. Okay, you can see here there is a interface, uh, internet interface and local interface, and we are using HAProxy. So this is, let me see, I will use Bitwise for easy tutorial. And you can see here there is tab S2C, which is reverse proxy section to specify the port to be listed in the server and to be forwarded to our local. So you can see here that I have connect to the my personal reverse proxy. So I will specify a new remote port forward in the listen port. Let's say this is and I will forward it to localhost example. Apply, and then let me see what is actually localhost 8082. Okay, so actually this is uh, my application in the local. So if we see here, we will see that there is a loopback interface, the local interface I said, and there is a ETH0, which is a internet interface. Actually the internet traffic coming from here. So as we see there is a listen port 18443 here. So if we look at Nestat, so it should be here. You can see here that although we specify the listen interface is in the internet, but it listen in the local, so I think it is much safer, so the internet cannot directly access our service without we configure it. So we need help of HAProxy, and then in here we need to specify where to bind, which is in the internet interface, and what port to bind. Okay, this is the example what mode it is, and this is the option for the timeout to connect, for the client, for the server, like that. And the most important part is to specify where to forward the request, and this is should be like this. So see, I should edit it using sudo command, sorry. Okay, like this. So after that, let's restart. Okay, and let's see whether the port is already binded. There are like 443. You can see here the HTTPS port actually have been binded to the internet interface. So if we access to this port, the expectation is the same page like this. Let me see. You can see here, you can see the log. There is open channel from server to client port, from this port to this local endpoint. Okay, I think that's all for this video. Hope it help you to open or publish your service to the internet. And if you wondering whether you can use it simply using putty or another SSH, actually the command is as simple as and then the R is for remote port forwarding, and then the port is specified, and your destination, just like that. Okay, I think that's enough. Thanks for watching, and if you have any request for the video related to tools or network or anything, just comment, and see you later.